Hey, welcome to the Automated Webinar Challenge. I'm Omar Zinholm. I'm going to be your teacher, your coach for the next 30 days on this amazing journey. I want to say congratulations for making this choice. You might be saying, well, congratulations for what? We haven't done anything yet. Yes, you have done something. You've taken the first step. You've taken action. You've committed to your success with your business. And that's a big deal. A lot of people sit on the fence, they and ah, and they don't actually take action. You have taken action, and you will be taking action for the next 30 days. So pat yourself on the back. Make sure you ride that momentum and keep going throughout this journey. Now, I'm going to be calling this a journey because we're going to be going through a journey for the next 30 days. Every day, you're going to be consuming some new content. You're going to have homework. You're going to have tasks to do every day. So let me tell you how it all works. In this 30-day challenge, you're going to watch a video, okay, every day. And in this video, it's going to go through step by step exactly what you have to do for that day. You're going to have an assignment, a mission to take on, and you need to complete that assignment before the next day. This is really important because you want to make sure that you follow the process and you don't fall behind. A lot of us think that, hey, if I skip a day, that's okay. I can make it up the next day. That's a slippery slope. I have designed this challenge, this course, so that it's consumed by day. So you're able to kind of pace yourself and get some momentum. There's a method to the madness. Trust the process. All right. I want to start with something very important, and that is your mindset. I want to set the tone for today and for the rest of the next 30 days. And that tone is you got to believe that this is going to work, okay? Now, you have to believe that you can do this and that this has to work, all right? A lot of us, we start a new program, whether it's fitness, whether it's business, whatever it is, and we're really motivated. But what doesn't carry us through, what doesn't allow us to finish strong is a weak belief system. We feel like we can't do it. So I want to start with that you can do this. This is not something that is reserved for people that are brilliant or geniuses or some sort of special gifted marketing people. No, these are simple steps that you can follow. And if you follow along, if you're with me every day and you accomplish every task along the way, you can do this. At the end of the 30 days, our vision is to be able to complete your automated webinar system so that you can launch it and start getting automated leads and sales for your business. This is really, really important to have this clear vision. Write it down on a Post-it note, put it on your monitor, do anything you got to do so you could see it every day. It's very important to have a clear vision. This is going to sound a little woo-woo, but it's very important to know what you're going after, what your target is. And this is applicable to anything in life. This is actually the number one piece of advice that Arnold Schwarzenegger over there says. Love him or hate him, he's accomplished a lot in life coming from a small town, where he came from in Europe. So you really need to make sure that you focus on that vision, okay? You need to make sure that, hey, I need to know that in 30 days, this is what my life is going to look like. This is what my business is going to look like. I'm going to have a clear system, an automated system for my business. I'm going to get more leads than I'm currently getting right now. I'm going to get more sales than I'm currently getting now, okay? And if you'd like, set up a goal. Whether it's 10 sales a month and 100 leads per month, if that's your goal, write it down because that's what you want to have the month after you complete this actual challenge. Clear vision, very important, okay? Number 2, when we go to do our work, consume that video, start the next day of the challenge, day 2, 3, 4, 5, 15, 20, whatever it is, we have to realign ourselves and say, hey, this is the goal. Keep our eye on the prize. We're going to get more leads. We're going to get more sales. We're going to have growth in our business. We're going to get what we want out of this, okay? And you got to remind yourself of the goal because that's going to push you through to get you through each task. Now, I'm not one to say that this is going to be a walk in the park and anybody can do this. You're going to have a little bit of work to do here. We're trying to build a whole system for your business so you can set it and then forget it, tweak a little bit here and there. But you're going to put all the work up front so that you can be able to reap the benefits later. And all that work is right now. We're not just going to be teaching. You're going to be doing. Every day you're going to be doing the thing that you have to do to build that system. Okay, so by the end of the 30 days, you're going to be ready to go. You're going to have everything you need in these 30 days. So just a quick recap, you're going to have 30 videos. Every day you have a video to watch so you know what to do, your assignment. Each video will have an SOP. And the reason why we're giving this to you is that you can then know exactly the whole procedure of creating your automated webinar system. So if you ever want to hand it off to somebody else, you can train them, you can give them those SOPs. We're totally automating this, right? I'm giving you everything you need, so this is automated for you. You're also going to get, of course, 30 days of access of Webinar Ninja, okay, our software. So you have no excuses. You're going to be able to pull off this whole thing with the automated system for free in the next 30 days. This is why it's important for us to capitalize on those 30 days every day and make sure that we work on that during the 30 days every day. You're going to get started immediately. I'm going to give you some homework when it comes to setting up your account. You have to set up your account because come tomorrow, we're going to be working on Webinar Ninja, working on the software to start setting up your automated webinar and setting up your ecosystem so you can start building this system. Okay, you're also going to get the templates for the PowerPoint and Keynotes that you're going to be creating. So whether you like PowerPoint and Keynote, we have templates for both, so you'll be able to put together your presentation for your automated webinar nice and easy. So all this stuff is included in this challenge. I want to talk about why this challenge in particular is unique, the automated webinar challenge. Creating an automated webinar, it's all about putting all the work up front, like I mentioned. You're going to be doing some work the next 30 days. You're going to make some investments in your business's marketing and sales right now so that you can reap the benefits later. Okay, so you can reap the benefits in 30 days as soon as you launch. Okay, we're going to show you exactly how to build your system, how to market it, how to make sure you have filled rooms, filled registrations, how you can sell on the webinar, how to make that offer, how to craft an offer, how to time it, all that stuff. Do not worry, you're in good hands. I am promising you, you're gonna have everything you need at the end of this webinar. If you know anything about me, my coaching, my programs, the software Webinar Ninja, you know that I wholly believe in making sure I give you everything you need. You could take my word, you could take it to the bank. Word is bond, right? You can make sure that I'm going to deliver for you. And that's what we're going to do for you. I'm going to give you everything you need. Your job is to make sure that one, you keep your eye on the prize. You keep your eye on that vision of growing your business, more leads, more sales with the automated system. Make sure you keep your eye on the prize every day. Number two, to do the assignment that I give every day. You got to do it so you stay on track. Now, every week I'm going to be releasing all the next videos for that week. So all 7 videos for each week for all the weeks for this program. So every new week, you'll see a whole bunch of videos be released. So that way you are given each one drip fed, each week drip fed to you. Now, your first homework assignment. You're going to sign up for your free 30 days of Webinar Ninja. There's instructions right here on the page how to sign up for your trial, and then you're going to email support. One of our support agents is going to make sure they extend your 14-day trial to 30 days. So you're going to email them. They're going to take care of you, personally to make sure that you have 30 full days of Webinar Ninja. You need to do that right now because tomorrow your video is to set up some things inside your account. So make sure you sign up right now for free, of course, for your trial that will be extended to 30 days when you email support. All right, I'm with you for the next 30 days. I'm going to motivate you. I'm going to help you. I'm going to give you exactly what you need to get through this and make sure you deliver that automated webinar system for your business at the end of the 30 days. I'm excited. I can't wait to go on this journey with you every day, and let's make this happen together. I will see you in the next video.